crime means something or an activity which is against the law. Okay, so any activity which is against the law, we are going to say it is a crime. Now come to the formal definition. What is a computer crime or a cyber crime means? It is an offense. Okay, the offenses that are committed, okay, against a individual or a group of individuals. Okay, a group of people or an individual, then with a criminal motive. So the motive could be anything. So lot of motives available, like harassment or making money or stealing data. Okay, so anything, the motive can be anything. Now directly or indirectly using modern telecommunication networks. So if the modern telecommunication networks are used, then we are going to say it is a computer crime or it is a cyber crime. Now modern telecommunication networks means what? Such as it includes everything, okay, like chat rooms, emails, notice boards, groups, okay, mobile phones, okay, Bluetooth, SMS, MMS. So anything could be used. So any offense committed on an individual or a group of individuals with a criminal motive. So motive can be anything, okay, like an harassment or stealing the data or just looting the money or anything, directly or indirectly, using any of the telecommunication networks. So telecommunication networks means using the chat rooms, emails, notice board, groups, okay, mobile phones, Bluetooth, SMS, anything, okay, which is related to the IT. If they use, that is called cyber crime or computer crime. Okay, this is the proper definition. Now US Department, okay, United States of America, Department of Justice, they are dividing this cyber crime into 3 categories. Okay, they are dividing it into 3 categories. The first category is, okay, the computer crimes, or which is the computing device is the target. So a computing device could be a target. For example, a server or a network or a data which is available in a machine. So here the target itself is a device, a computing device. So this is the first group. Second group of attack is, or second category of attack here is using the computer as a weapon. Okay, the computer will be used as a weapon to do the cyber crime. For example, denial of service attack. So we are having a botnet, zombies, okay, or botnet, okay, the infected computers. Infected computers can be used to launch the denial of service attack. So here computer is used as a weapon. Then the next one is computer is used as an accessory to the crime. Okay, so accessory means like which is used, okay, in some way it is used. It's not directly used, it is used an accessory. So what does that means? Okay, because the attacker is taking some data. Okay, the attacker took some data from other computer, is going to save it in a computer, means, so this computer is used as an accessory. So using a computer to store illegally obtained data. So these are the 3 different groups. So the target itself is a computer. Okay, we are going to use the computing device or a computer as a weapon, and here we are going to use a computing device as an accessory. So these are the 3 different types of categories, okay, of cybercrime available. So this is according to the United States Department of Justice. Now, as far as cybercrime or computer crime, there are so many different